The Dremel MultiMax is a versatile oscillating tool designed to handle a wide range of tasks around the home, workshop, and job site. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or simply someone tackling home repairs, the Dremel MultiMax offers a flexible and efficient solution for projects big and small. But what exactly is this tool used for, and why has it become a staple in so many toolkits? At its core, the Dremel MultiMax is prized for its ability to perform precision work in tight spaces where other tools might struggle. Its oscillating motion, a rapid side-to-side movement, allows it to cut, sand, scrape, grind, and polish with remarkable control. This motion also reduces the risk of kickback and provides smoother starts and finishes, making it ideal for detailed work. One of the most common uses for the Dremel MultiMax is cutting. Thanks to its wide variety of blade attachments, this tool can cut through materials such as wood, metal, drywall, plastic, and even tile. For example, if you need to trim the bottom of a door jamb to install new flooring, the flush cutting blade of the MultiMax makes quick, accurate work of the task. Similarly, if you're replacing old pipes or electrical boxes, the tool can make plunge cuts in drywall or flooring with minimal mess and effort. This makes it particularly useful for remodeling projects where precision and the ability to work in confined areas are essential. Sanding is another area where the Dremel MultiMax excels. The tool can be fitted with sanding pads in various shapes and grits, allowing users to smooth rough edges, remove old finishes, or prep surfaces for painting. The oscillating action ensures even sanding, especially in corners or on irregular surfaces that are difficult to tackle with traditional sanders. Whether you're refinishing furniture, restoring window frames, or touching up detailed woodworking, the MultiMax provides the finesse needed for high-quality results. Scraping is often one of the most tedious parts of any renovation, but the Dremel MultiMax makes it considerably easier. With rigid or flexible scraper blades, it can remove old paint, adhesive residue, caulk, and even flooring materials like linoleum or carpet glue. This function saves significant time and effort, especially on stubborn materials that require more than just elbow grease. Grouting and grout removal are other specialized applications well within the MultiMax's capabilities. Fitted with a carbide grit blade, the tool can quickly and cleanly remove grout from between tiles, making it indispensable for bathroom and kitchen renovations. This precision minimizes the risk of damaging surrounding tiles and speeds up what would otherwise be a painstaking manual process. Polishing and grinding are also possible with the Dremel MultiMax, thanks to its wide array of accessory attachments. Whether you need to polish metal fixtures, grind down protruding nails, or smooth rough welds, the tool adapts to the job at hand. Its compact size and ergonomic design further enhance its appeal, allowing for prolonged use without fatigue. Beyond these tasks, the Dremel MultiMax is beloved for its adaptability. The quick change accessory system means users can switch between functions in seconds without the need for additional tools. This flexibility, combined with the tool's portability and ease of use, makes it an indispensable companion for home improvement, repairs, crafting, and restoration projects. In summary, the Dremel MultiMax is a multi-purpose oscillating tool designed to cut, sand, scrape, grind, and polish a wide range of materials and surfaces. Its precision, versatility, and user-friendly design have made it a go-to solution for anyone looking to tackle detailed work or challenging spaces with confidence and efficiency.